Hello friends, welcome back. We are studying Advanced Java Programming Unit 3rd Event Handling. In the previous lecture we have studied some event classes. Today's lecture we are going to study remaining event classes. Lecture number 24. First is the input event class. The abstract class input event is a subclass of component event and is the superclass for component input events. Its subclasses are key event and mouse event. Input event defines several integer constants that represent any modifiers such as the control key being pressed that might be associated with the event. Originally, the input event class defined the following 8 values to represent the modifiers: alter underscore mask, alter underscore graph underscore mask, button 1 underscore mask, button 2 underscore mask, button 3 underscore mask, control underscore mask, meta underscore mask, shift underscore mask, like this. However, because of possible conflicts between the modifiers used by keyboard events and mouse events and other issues, the following extended modifier values were added: alter underscore down underscore mask, alter underscore graph underscore down underscore mask, button 1 underscore down underscore mask, button 2 underscore down underscore mask, button 3 down underscore mask, control underscore down underscore mask, meta underscore down underscore mask, shift underscore down underscore mask. Like these extended modifiers are added when writing new code, it is recommended that we use the new extended modifiers rather than the original modifiers. To test if a modifier was pressed at the time an event is generated, we use the isAlterDown method, isAlterGraphDown, isControlDown, isMetaDown, and isShiftDown methods. These forms of these methods are shown here. Boolean is alter down, Boolean is alter graph down, Boolean is control down, Boolean is meta down, Boolean is shift down. We can obtain a value that contains all of the original modifier flags by calling the get modifiers method. It is shown here, integer get modifiers. We can obtain the extended modifiers by calling get modifiers ex method. Its syntax integer get modifiers ex, like this method. Next event class is the item event class. An item event is generated when a checkbox or a list item is clicked or when a checkable menu item is selected or deselected. There are two types of item events which are identified by the following integer constants. Deselected, the user deselected an item, then deselected item event is generated. Selected, the user selected an item, then selected event is generated. In addition, item event defines one integer constant, item underscore state underscore changed, that signifies the change of state. Item event has this constructor: item event into bracket item selectable src comma integer type comma object entry comma integer state. Here src is a reference to the component that generated this event. For example, this might be a list or choice element. The type of the event is specified by type. The specific item that generated the item event is passed in entry. The current state of that item is in the state. Like these four parameters are there: item event into bracket item selectable src integer type object entry comma integer state. The get item method can be used to obtain a reference to the item that generated an event, and its syntax Object get atom method. The get atom selectable method can be used to obtain a reference to the atom selectable object that generated an event, and its syntax is atom selectable get atom selectable. Lists and choices are examples of user interface elements that implement the atom selectable interface. The getStateChange method returns the state change, that is selected or deselected for the event, and its syntax is shown here: integer getStateChange method. Next event class is the key event class. The key event is generated when keyboard input occurs. There are three types of key events which are identified by these integer constants. First one is the key underscore pressed, second key underscore released, and third key underscore typed. These three types of integer constants defined by key event class: key underscore pressed, key underscore released, and key underscore typed. The first two events are generated when any key is pressed or released. The last event occurs only when a character is generated. Remember, not all key presses results in characters. For example, pressing shift does not generate a character. There are many other integer constants that are defined by key event class. For example, vk underscore 0 through vk underscore 9 and vk underscore capital A through vk underscore capital Z define the ASCII equivalents of the numbers and letters. Here are some others: vk underscore alter alt, vk underscore cancel, vk underscore control, vk underscore down, vk underscore enter, vk underscore escape, vk underscore left, vk underscore page underscore down, vk underscore page underscore up, vk underscore right, vk underscore shift, vk underscore up. The vk constants specify virtual key codes and are independent of any modifiers such as control, shift, or alter. Key event is a subclass of input event. Here is one of its constructor: key event into bracket component src integer type long vain integer modifiers integer code char ch. 6 parameters: key event into bracket component src integer type long vain integer modifiers integer code char ch. Here src is a reference to the component that generated the event. The type of the event is specified by type. The system time at which the key was pressed is passed in when the modifiers argument indicates which modifiers were pressed when this key event occurred. The virtual key code such as vk underscore up, vk underscore capital A, and so forth is passed in code. The character equivalent, if one exists, is passed in ch. If no valid character exists, then ch contains char underscore undefined. For example, key underscore typed events code will contain vk underscore undefined. The key event class defines several methods, but the most commonly used ones are getKeyChar method, which returns the character that was entered, and getKeyCode method, which returns the key code. Their general forms are shown here: char getKeyChar, integer getKeyCode. If no valid character is available, then getKeyChar method returns char underscore undefined. When a key typed event occurs, get key code method returns vk underscore undefined. Next event class we can study in the next lecture. Thank you. Go through these classes, study thoroughly, complete the lecture. Thank you. Next event class is the mouse event class. There are 8 types of mouse events. The mouse event class defines the following integer constants that can be used to identify them. Mouse underscore clicked, the user clicked the mouse. Mouse underscore dragged, the user dragged the mouse. Mouse underscore entered, the mouse entered a component. Mouse underscore exited, the mouse exited from a component. Mouse underscore moved, the mouse moved. The mouse underscore pressed, the mouse was pressed. Mouse underscore released, the mouse was released. Mouse underscore wheel, the mouse wheel was moved. Like this, 8 constants are defined to identify the mouse events. Mouse underscore clicked, mouse underscore dragged, mouse underscore entered, mouse underscore exited, mouse underscore moved, mouse underscore pressed, mouse underscore released, mouse underscore wheel. Mouse event is a subclass of input event. Here is one of its constructor, mouse event into bracket component src integer type long vain integer modifier integer x integer y integer clicks boolean triggers pop-up. Here src is a reference to the component that generated the event. The type of the event is specified by type. The system time at which the mouse event occurred is passed in vain. The modifier's argument indicates which modifiers were pressed when a mouse event occurred. The coordinates of the mouse are passed in x and y. The click count is passed in clicks. The trigger's pop-up flag indicates if this event causes a pop-up menu to appear on this platform. Two commonly used methods in this class are getX and getY. These return the x and y coordinates of the mouse within the component when the event occurred. Their forms are shown here. Integer getX method, integer getY. Alternatively, we can use the getPoint method to obtain the coordinates of the mouse, and its syntax is point getPoint. It returns a point object that contains the x, y coordinates in its integer members x and y. The translate point method changes the location of the event. Its form is shown here. Void translate point into bracket integer x, integer y. Here the arguments x and y are added to the coordinates of the event. The getClickCount method obtains the number of mouse clicks for this event, and its syntax is integer getClickCount. The isPopUp trigger method tests if this event causes a pop-up menu to appear on this platform, and its syntax boolean isPopUp trigger method. Also available is the getButton method, integer getButton. It returns value that represents the button that caused the event. The return value will be one of these constant defined by mouse event. no button, button 1, button 2, button 3. The no button value indicates that no button was pressed or released. Java SE6 added three methods to mouse event that obtain the coordinates of the mouse relative to the screen rather than component. They are shown here. Point get location on screen, integer get x on screen, integer get y on screen. These are the three methods. The get location on screen method returns a point object that contains both the x and y coordinates. The other two methods return the indicated coordinate. The mouse wheel event class. The mouse wheel event class encapsulates a mouse wheel event. It is a subclass of mouse event. Not all mice have wheels. If a mouse has a wheel, it is located between the left and right buttons. Mouse wheels are used for scrolling. Mouse wheel event defines these constants: wheel underscore block underscore scroll, a page up or page down scroll event occurred, wheel underscore unit underscore scroll, a line up or line down scroll event occurred. Here is one of the constructor defined by mouse wheel event. Mouse wheel event into bracket component src comma integer type comma long vein comma integer modifiers comma integer x comma integer y comma integer clicks comma boolean triggers pop-up comma integer scroll how comma integer amount comma integer count. These much parameters are there in a mouse wheel event. Here src is a reference to the object that generated the event. The type of the event is specified by type. The system time at which the mouse event occurred is passed in when the modifiers argument indicates which modifiers were pressed when the event occurred. The coordinates of the mouse are passed in x and y. The number of clicks the wheel has rotated is passed in clicks. The trigger's pop-up flag indicates if this event causes a pop-up menu to appear on this platform. The scroll how value must be either wheel underscore unit underscore scroll or wheel underscore block underscore scroll. The number of units to scroll is passed in amount. The count parameter indicates the number of rotational units that the wheel moved. Mouse wheel event defines methods that give you access to the wheel event to obtain the number of rotational units. Call the get wheel rotation method and syntax integer get wheel rotation. It returns the number of rotational units if the value is positive. The wheel moved counterclockwise if the value is negative. Positive, the wheel moved counterclockwise. If the value is negative, the wheel moved clockwise. To obtain the type of scroll, call get scroll type method and its syntax integer get scroll type. It returns either wheel underscore unit underscore scroll or wheel underscore block underscore scroll. If the scroll type is wheel underscore unit underscore scroll, we can obtain the number of units to the scroll by calling get scroll amount. It is shown here, integer get scroll amount. Next is the text event class. The instances of this class describe text events. These are generated by text fields and text areas when characters are entered by a user or a program. Text event defines the integer constants text underscore value underscore changed. The one constructor of this class is shown here. Text event into bracket object src integer type. Here src is a reference to the object that generated this event. The type of the event is specified by type. The text event object does not include the characters currently in the text component that generated the event. Instead, our program must use other methods associated with the text component to retrieve that information. This operation differs from other event objects discussed in this section. For this reason, no methods are discussed here. Text event class. Think of a text event notification as a signal to the listener that it should retrieve information from a specific text component. Last event class is the window event class. There are 10 types of window events. The window event class defines integer constants that can be used to identify them. These constants and their meanings is shown here. Window underscore activated, the window was activated. Window underscore closed, the window has been closed. The window underscore closing, the user requested that the window be closed. Window underscore deactivated, the window was deactivated. Window underscore deiconified, the window was deiconified. Window underscore gained underscore focus, the window gained input focus. Window underscore iconified, the window was iconified. Window underscore lost underscore focus, the window lost input focus. Window underscore opened, the window was opened. The window underscore state underscore changed, the state of the window changed. Like this, 10 integer constants are defined. Window event is a subclass of component event. It defines several constructors. The first is window event into bracket window space src comma integer type. Here src is a reference to the object that generated this event. The type of the event is type. The next three constructors offer more detailed control. Window event into bracket window src integer type comma window other. Third, window event window src comma integer type comma integer from state comma integer to state. Fourth constructor window event into bracket window src comma integer type comma window other comma integer from state comma integer to state. Here other specifies the opposite window when a focus or activation event occurs. The from state specifies the prior state of the window, and to state specifies the new state that the window will have when a window state change occurs. A commonly used method in this class is getWindow method. It returns the window object that generated the event. Its general form is shown here. Window getWindow. Window event also defines methods that return the opposite window when a focus or activation event has occurred, the previous window state and the current window state. These methods are shown here. Window get opposite window, this is a method. Integer get old state, integer get new state. Like this, methods are defined given by the window event class. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you.